next one.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I didn't finish.
No, ma'am, I did not finish. Ma'am, I did not finish.
You can write it now. Chapter 3, large numbers, single digit numbers you can write. Adinath, what happened? Nothing.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you show the next one?
Yes, yes.
Complete.
Single digit numbers.
The heading will write.
Yes, single digit numbers you can
Ma'am,
write.
that is already written on the heading.
Then no need of writing, no problem.
We enter this full.
Yes.
Ma'am, we enter this full.
Hi.
I will write full.
Yes, you have to write it completely now.
And you can show.
Yes, zoom in.
Ma'am, we need to answer the questions.
Yes. Can you say which is the first counting number? One is the first counting number and one is the smallest single digit number. What is the last single digit number? 9 is the largest single digit number. If we add 1 to the largest single digit number, we will...
Including the answer.
Yes, you have to include the answer also.
Should we write like a sentence or just
Yes, full
one
sentence
word?
you have to write.
Ma'am, we need to write the one very small.
Yes. No need. It came like that.
We write the spelling of the number or the directly the number?
Anything you write. 2.
അങ്ങനെ കുറച്ച് നേരം മുമ്പ് വരും അങ്ങനെ
1 minute, I will zoom out and take.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Finished?
No, ma'am.
No, you
You
can write
have
silently.
crossed.
No one should unmute now.
Ma'am, I got a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
If we add, you have something crossed.
If we add 1 to the largest single digit number, we will get the smallest 2-digit number. If we add, that means 9 plus 1. You will get it as 10.
Ma'am, these all are the question or there is answer.
In the second
Question with answers, you write it.
question answer is showing. What is the largest single digit number?
Yes.
It's written 9 is the largest single digit number. That's including the.
Can you send this in WhatsApp?
Yes, I will send through WhatsApp. Who is asking that? No need of asking. Every time I will use it to send.
Completed.
How many of you should complete still? Raise your hands.
Oh,
Only
today.
raising the hands. Yes, you can complete.
Can you make a little more bigger? Can you make the board little more
Yes, who
big?
is talking?
Ma'am, Anupama. Ma'am, can you make the board little more bigger?
Yes.
That we can do in our hands.
Yes.
Ma'am, we can zoom it with our hand. I'm so sorry, ma'am. I late for the class. I not know the time. That's
Ma'am, will you send this in the WhatsApp?
Yes, I used to send in every time. Not today, after finishing this. Okay. How many of you have to complete still?
Ma'am, today.
Raise your hands. Don't say. Raise your hands. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Complete it fast.
finish, ma'am.
Finished.
Finish, ma'am.
Just wait. Mama Sinan, are you writing?
If we add 1, sir, in that
1 to the largest single digit number, we will get the smallest 2-digit number. How many of them not completed still? Only raise your hands. Don't say.
Ma'am, Henry, I had a turkey shoe.
Yes. Only 4 are there to complete. Write fast.
Ma'am, I'm writing the last question.
Yes.
I'm finished. I'm finished.
Ma'am, I came Prajwal. Did you mark present?
Yes, Prajwal, I mark present.
Ma'am, we want to write if we add 1.
Yes. If we add 1 to the largest single digit number, we will get the smallest 2-digit number.
Ma'am, Parvati is present.
Yes, Parvati, I mark now. Shall I change the next one?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I show that once
Yes.
more?
Listen before that. You can listen.
Ma'am, can you show?
Yes. Previous slide you want to see?
Yes, last line. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, that 5th point answer is not the
Yes, yes.
Ma'am,
Answer
time
is
is up.
coming in the next slide.
Ma'am, time is up.
Huh?
Time is up.
Who told?
I'll.
I'll. So next one. So single digit number afterwards. Yes, Parvati, any doubt? Any
No,
doubt?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
No doubt. So if we add, after that, you can arrange the numbers in the place value chart. Okay. So you can arrange the numbers. After 10, what is the next number?
11.
The smallest two-digit number is 10. And how many zeros are there in it?
Ma'am, we need to write this.
No need of writing this. How many zeros are there in 10?
One.
One zero is there in 10. Okay.
Ma'am, you sent it in the WhatsApp.
Yes, I will send through WhatsApp. Next one, you have to take, how will you arrange in the place value chart? If it is a two-digit number, for example, 1 minute, I will tell you, don't see the slide now.
Maybe you won't write.
No need of writing, just listen. Now from the starting, you are knowing the place value chart. So how to write in the place value chart? First one, 11. How will you write in the place value chart? 11. Abel, can you
Tens
tell
place.
what are the place values?
One,
Yes,
Ten.
ones place.
one place,
Ah.
tens place,
Ah.
hundreds place,
Yes,
thousands place,
yes.
10,000 place.
10,000 place and etc. So 11, how will you write in the place value chart? Gauri Nandana, how will you write 11 in the place value chart? 11, Gauri Nandana. Shreya, how will you write 11 in the place value chart? Ones place and
1,
yes, you can
ten.
write short form as ones and tens.
Tens.
11, where is one will come here? Henry, no need of writing, just listen. Where it will come?
Left side.
One will come
Right side.
tens place, and again this one will come in the tens place. So this is called ones place and tens place. For a two-digit number, how many places are there, Diya? For a two-digit number, two-digit means what? Each one is called one digit. Okay. So tens, ones place is also there. Tens place is also there. Ones place. Next one you take 68. Already you studied, so no need of writing. How will you write in the place value chart? 68. Yes, Anubama, what are the place values? 68. How will you write in the place value chart? How many places are there? Ones place and tens place. Which is in ones place here?
8 in
8
ones
in ones
place,
place,
6 in tens place.
tens place. So for a two-digit number, there are two place values. Unit place, or you can say ones place, or you can say unit place. Both are same. Unit place and tens place. Is it clear? So for a two-digit number, there are two place values. First one is called ones place, and the second one is called tens place. Okay, 96. How will you write Prajwal? How will you write 96? Don't write everything here.
Yes,
Afterwards,
ma'am.
96.
9 in the tens place and 6
yes.
in the ones place.
Ones
For
place.
unit place.
Unit place. So you can write ones place or tens place. 6 is in the ones place and 9 is in the unit place. Okay. So 96. So every two-digit number you can express as a place in the place value chart. How many place values will come there, Abel? How many place values will come? Unit place and tens place, or ones place and tens place. Okay, is it clear? Yes.
Yes,
Which
ma'am.
is the next one? Which is the largest two-digit number, Henry? Which is the largest two-digit number?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Which is the largest two-digit number?
99.
99 is the largest two-digit number. Okay. So how will you write in place value ones and tens? 9, 9,
9.
9, 9. Ones place also 9. Already you studied. Yes or no? Yes. 99. How many place values are there? 9 is in the unit place. Again 9 is in the tens place. Okay. Now which is the largest two-digit number, Adinath?
99.
99 is the largest two-digit number. If you add 1 to 99, you will get 100. Plus 1 you are adding. So here you have to write
Ma'am.
one more column. Tens.
Ma'am, this is
Ones.
getting like a tricky
Yes.
as the
9
large
plus 1, how much you will get?
Ma'am.
0.
Ma'am,
9
when the
plus
largest two-digit number, when we
Then
add
one
1,
more
it
place
will
value
become
will
the
come.
smallest three-digit number. So it
you
is
will
becoming
get the
three-digit but
smallest
smallest.
number. Is it clear? Are you following now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
99 is the largest two-digit number. Its place values are ones place and tens place. If you are adding 1 with the 99, you will get it as 100. How many zeros are there in 100?
2.
In 10, how many zeros are there?
1.
1 0. Okay. So what are the place values for two-digit numbers, Isra? What are the place values for two-digit numbers?
Ones and
Yes.
tens
Very
place.
good. Ones and tens. Ones and tens place. And next one, if you are adding 1 with a 99, you will get 100. 100 is a three-digit number. 100 is a three-digit number. Okay. And which is the smallest three-digit number?
100.
100. So how will you read this number? 100. What are the place values? Varada, what are the place values here?
Ones, tens, hundreds.
Ones, tens, hundreds. So if you are adding 1 will be carrying here 9 plus 1 0, 1 carry over, and here you will get it as so hundreds place. Anyone is having doubt? No.
No, ma'am.
No doubt. 123. How will you write in place value chart, Abrid? Abrid. How will you write in place value chart? 123. Yes. Unmute and tell. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, which is in ones place? Sapna, which is in ones
100.
place? Which is in ones place?
3.
3. Which is in 10th place?
2.
2. Which is in 100th place?
1.
Okay, 123 you can write in the place value chart as
Ma'am, can you hear me?
unit place.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, any doubt?
No, I was saying till the answer, but my mic was not working.
Yes, I did not hear what you told.
I asked, can you hear me? Because when I said the answer, I thought you couldn't hear me.
Who is telling who is telling the
Sapna.
Yes, Sapna.
You can hear me?
Sapna, what you told, it is not clear for me.
Today also there the exam.
What she is asking, anyone tell loudly?
Today also the exam is there.
Ma'am, she
Yes.
was saying, but you can't hear her. That's why she asked.
Yes, I cannot hear her properly. Okay.
She said the answer. You did not hear.
I cannot hear your answer.
Did you hear her when she said the answer?
Sapna.
Yes, next one.
When you did not hear that, she said.
745. No, sometimes I cannot hear somebody's noise. 700. Yes, Abrid, how will you write? What are the place values? ones, tens, hundreds. So you can write 5, 4, 7. 745 ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay. Is it clear for you?
Yes, ma'am.
So for a 3-digit number, what are the place values, Prajwal? For a 3-digit
100 tens once.
ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundred.
Hundred.
Ones can also be said that unit place. Unit
Unit
place, tens place, hundreds place. Anyone is having doubt?
No.
No. Which is the smallest 3-digit number, Muhammad Amil? Which is the smallest 3-digit number?
100.
100. 100. Adidev, which is the largest 3-digit number? Which is the largest 3-digit number?
Sorry, ma'am. 999.
900?
999.
99. 999, because you are saying about 100. 999.
Ma'am, I was saying the answer because ma'am, my headphone wasn't plugged all the way to my laptop because that I told 999.
Now I can hear you. First I was not
Ma'am,
able.
my laptop will never. You cannot hear me if my headphone is not connected successfully. It was not connected, so you didn't available to hear me.
Yes. I'll. So which is the largest 3-digit number? I'll. Can you hear me? Yes. No. Shivadhyan. Yes. Arfan. 999 is the largest 3-digit number. Okay. If you are adding one with it, you will get the smallest. So 999. This is the number. So ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Next one is
Ones in 9. Tens in 9.
yes 9. Next one is here also 9.
9, 9, 9.
Now if you are adding one with it, what you will get here? 1 you are adding. So 9
10.
plus 1 0.
9, 9.
Yes, 1 is carrying over. 9 plus 1 0. Again 9 plus 1
0.
1
0. And 1.
So 1 you have to.
And 1.
Okay.
1000.
So which is the smallest 4-digit number?
1000. 1000.
1000. How many zeros are there?
4.
1000. How many zeros?
3, 3.
10. How many zeros are there?
1.
In 100, how many zeros are there, John?
2.
2. In 1000, how many zeros are there?
3.
3. 3 zeros are there.
3.
What are the place values for 1000? Ones place, tens place,
One place, tens place, hundred place, thousand place.
thousands place. Okay, is it clear for you?
Yes.
Now we reached the smallest 4-digit number. Shall we go to the next? Which is the largest 4-digit number now? Already you studied everything now?
999.
999. 9,999. Now, if you are adding 1 with it, you will get the smallest 5-digit number.
10,000.
Yes. So you can write what are the place values? 0, 1 carry over here. And again, 0, 1 carry over here. So you'll get it as 10.
10,000.
So what are the place values now? Ones,
Ones, ten,
10,000.
hundreds, thousands, 10,000s.
10,000. So which is the smallest 5-digit number? 10,000.
10,000.
Smallest
10,000.
5.
This number is
Yes, Henry.
9,990.
Yes. Then next one you can say about 5-digit number. Which is the largest 5-digit number?
9 lakh.
90,999.
99,999.
99,999. Plus 1 lakh.
Yes. Now the largest 5-digit number, up to here you studied, up to 5-digit number you studied, and how will you write in place value chart also you studied. Now you have to study about 99,999 plus 1.
Ma'am, it will be
1 lakh.
1 lakh. It will become 1 lakh, ma'am. 1 lakh.
1
1
lakh.
lakh.
5 nines are there. 9999 plus 1 you are adding. 0. 1 carry over here again. So again 1.
Then 6 digits.
Yes.
Then 66.
How many zeros are there?
6.
5.
Zeros.
Five.
Zeros are there?
5.
6 numbers, 5 zeros. Only 5 zeros.
1
X
lakh.
is having how many zeros, Abrit? 10? 1 0. 100, Varada?
2.
Isra, 1000, how many zeros? 3. 3 zeros. Yes, next one, Henry. 10,000, how many zeros? 4. 4 zeros. Henry is not answering. Yes, Annabelle. 10,000. 1 lakh, how many zeros?
5 0.
5 zeros. So which is the smallest 6-digit number?
1 lakh.
1 lakh is
1
the
lakh.
smallest
Ma'am, we can play with 1 lakh, it will become 10 lakh. And play with 10 lakh, it will become 1 4.
Next one. Which is the largest 6-digit number? 6 nines you should write.
9 lakh.
9. How will you read them?
99 lakh.
Imaros.
9 lakh.
9 lakh.
99 lakh.
99 lakh.
9,999.
9 lakh it will come. Okay. 9 lakh. After lakh, it is 9 lakh. Next one is 9 lakh. And 9 lakh, 99,999. Afterwards, it is coming 10 lakh.
10 lakh, it will become 99 lakh.
The smallest next digit number. Okay. After that, you are going to the next. Tomorrow we can explain more in the next class. Study well. And did you understand now today?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Values, how will you
Yes,
write
ma'am.
values?
Yes, ma'am.
Note, because this is the basic math. So
Notes. What about notes?
notes I will send. All together I will send. Tomorrow I am not sending. Today and tomorrow you are having exam. I will send after finishing all this.
Ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.